past day, over 150,000 Nebraskans are now at risk of becoming food insecure after DHHS officially announced that SNAP benefits will be paused starting today as a result of the government shutdown. 1011 is now digging into what can be done and who's now on the front lines of keeping Nebraskans fed. The capital city, we're already seeing several nonprofits launching a call to action for food and volunteers. This email was sent to those who volunteer at the Center for People, asking for donations and help, as they expect to see an influx of guests in the coming weeks. The Food Bank of Lincoln also taking time to share their resources on social media, highlighting their mobile food distributions, adding that all are welcome to stop by.
We're seeing the start of that kind of tidal wave right now with the folks that are coming here, coming to our distributions, coming to the emergency pantry. I think it's probably going to double or triple in terms of the numbers of folks that are coming out here and looking for help.
As to an immediate solution to the problem, on the state level, local governments could choose to pay out these benefits, though the federal government says they will not reimburse states for money spent. We reached out to DHHS CEO Steve Coursey in this statement with 1011 saying the department, quote, has a plan in place to immediately begin working with the USDA to process payments and get benefits to recipients as soon as possible when the government shutdown ends, end quote. But we have yet to hear anything more from the department. We also have statements from our Nebraska delegates. You can read those on our 1011 Now app. The Associated Press says that SNAP benefits aren't the only food subsidy program at risk, so is WIC. They say most states will run out of WIC funding by November 8th. This comes after $300 million was reassigned earlier this month to keep that program afloat. But just before noon, we did hear from DHHS, who says for now, WIC funding is not on the same timeline as SNAP benefits, but they didn't give any more information on if the benefit is at risk. Around 36,000 Nebraska families are supported through the WIC program. Now, if you are in need, we want to give you some resources. For our viewers in southeast Nebraska, food pantries provided by Community Action are available in Cass, Johnson, Nemaha, Otoe, Pawnee, and Richardson counties. In central Nebraska, there's the Food Bank for the Heartland. For college students, SCC's Beatrice, Lincoln, and Milford campuses all have food pantries. And for those in or near the capital city, there's of course the Food Bank of Lincoln, who we just heard from. They're located near the Lincoln Airport. Another option is the Center for People, that's near 27th and Fairfield. And for those looking for foods like fruits, veggies, and dairy products, there are Food Net programs at 2 Lincoln churches, Belmont Baptist and St. Mary's. Now, if you missed any of these details, we'll have the full list on our website.